talking earlier around, the prioritization of certain services and applications and users and user groups and segmentation and so on. And, there's also this huge disparity between the quality of services and solutions and products and applications and so on that might be, we're talking about, cultural differences and the thought process around someone thinking, I'm just this, unimportant user in a random office on the other side of the world. So I've got the lowest layer of, technology, even though what I'm doing is quite important, versus maybe the opposite side where an actual consumer using a customer, facing solution gets the best of everything, the best monitoring, the best tools. John, you're making a point about, understanding data and the results of that data. Giving the best performance to a user is one thing, but then also having a consumer seeing things in the right way, and especially some of the tricks that retailers do, making sure that, they can convert a cart into a sale and so on. All of those things come together, but I guess what I see is a lot of inconsistency around the processes, the rules, the priorities, and the investment, and even the data that gets collected across all of those different layers. So you get this different cultural difference from a technology standpoint on internal user, external consumer, maybe some business to business in the middle, which is relevant. And that's probably some of the impact of this era of cloud is having, in that everybody's stuck in, well, not everybody, cloud native are not stuck in hybrid, but the traditional enterprise is. And I think, John, you're making a point about what's on, what's off, what should be switched on, what do we keep, and so on. It starts getting bigger and bigger and almost impossible to manage. And at what point do you just think, let's switch that off and see what happens?